Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and last week ZEDD and Katy Plays released their new song, 365, which is all about love and obsession, and let me just say, I'm in love and obsessed with this song. Another thing that I'm obsessed with at the moment are smoothie bowls. First of all, they're an easy treat and they're super simple to make. You can make them on a Monday night, Tuesday night, every night, along with being healthy, and you can kind of sneak in more healthy things into a smoothie bowl, like vegetables. Now there's also a music video for 365 which talks about like robots and do they feel love. And of course Katy Plays changes many times, so today we are going to be making 365 smoothie bowls. The first one is going to be the soup, Katy's favorite soup. It's a purple soup, which I don't think that really exists. I mean, maybe beets. And we're going to be making a mixed berry smoothie bowl. The second one is going to be a red raspberry smoothie bowl that we're going to decorate to look like the red outfit Katy wears with like the frisbee on her head. And the last one we're going to make is going to be a tropical smoothie bowl that we're going to decorate to look like the outfit when Katy's sleeping. The first one we are going to make though is going to be the soup, and the ingredients for this recipe are 2 cups of fresh blueberries, 1.5 cups of fresh raspberries, 1 cup of blackberries, 1 cup of vanilla yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of honey. The first thing we're going to do in making this soup is we're going to take probably the most robotic thing, or at least robotic looking thing, in the kitchen, the blender. And this is the best part about smoothies. We're going to combine all of our ingredients. That's going to be our blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, vanilla yogurt, and honey. Now we are making smoothie bowls, so we're going to take this smoothie and, well, put it in a bowl. And here we have it, our mixed berry smoothie bowl to resemble the purple soup. Now let's try it, because it is Katy's favorite. It's so easy. It tastes really good too. Now let's move on to our second treat, the red raspberry smoothie. And the ingredients for this smoothie bowl are 2 cups of frozen raspberries, 1 cup of fresh raspberries, and 1 cup of raspberry yogurt drink. For our next smoothie bowl, we're going to take our 2 cups of frozen raspberries and our raspberry yogurt drink and add it to the blender, then mix it up. And then I'm going to take some of our red raspberries and place those in a spiral design. Oh, and we have, look at that, 1 left. And here we have it, our red raspberry smoothie bowl that we made. Now this one is my favorite, not the soup one, just because it is so smooth and it also has so much raspberry flavor. I mean, all the ingredients are raspberries, and raspberries are my favorite fruit. And there's also a note of tartness in here as well. Next, let's move on to our next smoothie, the tropical smoothie. And the ingredients for this smoothie are 1 pineapple, 2 cups of frozen peaches, 3/4 cup of peach mango juice, and 2 to 3 kiwis. The first thing we're going to do in making this tropical smoothie is to cut our pineapple. Now, hopefully this one is a ripe one. There's like that trick where you take it and, like, if the leaf comes out, then it's ripe. And like, they're all coming out. But I'm going to peel this pineapple and then cut it into slices. Once you've cut out slices of your pineapple, then we want to cut them into circles and half circles. This is going to represent the dots on the green outfit that Katy Plays wears when she sleeps. To do this, I've got a pineapple slice and a cookie cutter, and we're just going to cut out about 3 or 4. Again, like all the others, we're going to combine all of our ingredients with our peaches. I'm going to add a little bit of pineapple, kiwi, and our juice. And again, scoop your smoothie into your bowl. For our last details, we're going to add on some of our pineapple circles and half circles. And here we have them, all 3 of our 365 inspired smoothie bowls that we made today. We made a mixed berry purple soup, which is just a basic recipe, and you could even add like acai and make it an acai bowl. The second one, my favorite, the raspberry one, which is just all raspberries all the way. And the last one, the tropical blend. There's really something here for everyone. You've got berries, another type of berry, raspberries, and tropical. And smoothies are good all year round, 24/7, 365. If you happen to make these, please share them with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Until next time, savor life and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video where I make a sweet but psycho inspired cake. And down here is what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys this Sunday.